Hi, have you or a loved one been injured in an Alief truck accident? Well, my name is attorney Reshard Alexander, and I'm the Big Rig Bull Texas truck accident lawyer. I help injury victims receive the care and compensation they deserve when they've been injured by the negligent driving of truck drivers or the faulty operations of motor carriers in the Houston truck accident area. If you've been injured in a truck wreck, give me a call at 713-766-3322. That's 713-766-3322. Additionally, you can call me toll free at 1-800-688-7551. That's 1-800-688-7551. Also, go to my website, Houston Truck Accident Lawyer. That's HoustonTruckAccident.lawyer, and pick up your free ebook here. I titled it Texas Car, Motorcycle, and Truck Accident Law: What the Injured Must Know. I wrote this with you in mind. So go to my website, Houston Truck Accident Lawyer, pick up your free ebook there, and give me a call at 713-766-3322 today. So let's discuss your truck wreck. And as always, I hope you have a blessed day.